I'm Dr. Alex, and I'm here with my patient Jesse, and today we're going to be going over how to stretch your hip flexor. Hip flexor is very important because, especially today as we are in front of computers a lot more and sitting more, there's a lot more tightness there, and that puts direct pressure into the low back, causing a lot of low back pain. So properly stretching it will help relieve a lot of your low back symptoms, especially if you're getting pain getting up out of a chair or even while walking. So to start the stretch, first things first is I'm going to have you kneel down. So we're going to go into a kneeling position. And this is the important part, is you want to make sure while you're in this, you want to be up tall with a 90 degree out, 90 degrees here. So that sets you up in the basic first position. So after the first position of kneeling, what we want to do to try and engage the hip flexors a little more is you're trying to tuck your pelvis underneath. So as you can see, he's already going into it. So it's really, you're just trying to tuck the butt under, where you can see it actually rotate under, but still being up nice and tall. From here, the leg that's down, all you're gonna do is contract your glute. That's gonna help push the pelvis forward and start pre-lengthening that hip flexor. So he's already contracting, and then you should be getting the stretch from that mid quad even up into the lower abdomen. From there, what it's gonna be is I'm gonna have you put the hands right here. So you wanna make sure as you are now gonna be going forward that you're not bending forward or arching back. If you arch back or bend forward, you're taking the tension off the hip flexor and you're putting them onto different muscles, so the stretch isn't going to be as effective. So what the hands do is, as you're still tucked and squeezed in the glute, you're going to be coming forward. So if you feel your hands coming together or leaning back at all and separating, you're going to get less out of the stretch and it's going to be less effective in helping your low back pain. So pain for the hip flexor can present in a few ways, so I'm just going to turn you. So it can either be straight across the low back above the glutes, where the pelvis and the low back are meeting. You can get some pain that kind of wraps straight around. And in progressive cases that are a little bit more advanced, you can actually get pain into the groin area. So if you are feeling any of these symptoms, please come on in, schedule a consult, and we'll get you taken care of. So I just want to thank Jesse for demonstrating this for me, and we hope to see you.